Okay guys, so hello everyone. Please welcome to my channel Tech Boss and let us begin today's daily tech news episode number 16. Okay guys, our first news coming from Apple is that Apple is now trying to bring on their iPad Pro version in 5G, and just due to this pandemic or this COVID-19, the delayed launch might be done in 2021. Important thing is that this iPad Pro is going to be having a 12.9 inches of LED screen. So guys, let us move on to our next news. Okay guys, our next news coming from WhatsApp is that now more than 4 people can join a video call, as far as I told yesterday. But today's news is that now 8 people can join a video call and do a video call together. This is a very cool feature brought by WhatsApp. Okay guys, some news coming from Xiaomi is that now they are also working on a flip phone or a foldable phone, just like Samsung and Motorola have done. Samsung's own Z Flip and Motorola's Motorola Razr has already been released. So now Xiaomi is also working on a flip phone. It is to be said that this phone is going to be having a pop-up selfie camera in the front. So no more specifications are out of this model. So as soon as I get to know more specifications, I will be of course updating all. So guys, let us move on. Okay guys, our next news coming from Google is that their next phone, Google Pixel 4a, which is going to be a fierce competitor with Apple's SE 2020 that was released some days ago. So first of all, this Google Pixel 4a is going to be releasing in May, and some rumors are saying that this is a phone that is going to be having a punch-hole selfie camera along with a 12 megapixels of camera at the back. Okay guys, our next news coming from Oppo is that their model Oppo X2 Find Neo has been launched in China, and the important thing is that this is a model that is going to be having a 765G chipset from Qualcomm Snapdragon, and interestingly it is going to be having a 6.5 inches of Super AMOLED display along with 48 megapixels of quad camera setup at the back, means 48 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2. This is the camera setup at the back, and interestingly I am not sure whether that will come in India or not, but the price in US dollars is around 60,000. Okay guys, some more specifications of this Oppo Find X2 Neo is that it is having a 44 megapixels of selfie camera, and along with 4025 milliamperes of battery that will support 30 watts of VOOC charge, and interestingly it is having a 90 Hz refresh rate panel. So guys, let us move on to our next news. So guys, our next news coming from Nubia is that they have launched a gaming phone in China. Interestingly, it is having a 144 Hz of refresh rate along with a touch rate of 240 Hz. So guys, I'm not sure whether that phone will come in India or not. So in Indian money, it costs around 30,000. Interestingly, it is going to be having 5G support in China, and there are only one variant that has been launched, that is 8GB and 128GB. Okay guys, some news coming from Realme is that some leaks and renders are out of the model Realme X3, and it is clearly showing that there are going to be quad camera setup at the back, means 4 cameras along with dual selfie camera in the front. It is of course of 16 megapixels plus 2 megapixels in the front, and some more specifications are out is that it is going to be having a 6.57 inches of TFT display along with 4100 milliamperes of battery. And guys, the processor is going to be the latest from Qualcomm Snapdragon, that is 765G. Okay guys, our next news coming from Motorola is that Motorola is working on their Motorola Fusion 1 and Motorola Fusion Plus, and it is going to come very soon in India, and it is going to do a rivalry with Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So guys, let's see. Okay guys, so let us talk about 2 smartphones that has been launched, one in China and one in Indonesia. First of all, from Oppo comes their A52 model that has been launched in China. So interestingly, it is having a 5000 milliamperes of battery along with a 6.5 inches of LCD display, and the 5000 milliamperes of battery will support up to 18 watts of fast charging. And interestingly, it has 4 cameras at the back, that is of 12 megapixels plus 8 megapixels plus 2 and 2 for depth and macro sensor. So guys, now let us move on to Oppo A12 that has been launched in the Indonesian market. So first of all, from Oppo A12, it is having a triple rear camera setup at the back along with 6.22 inches of LCD display panel. And the cost of the Oppo A52 is going to be around 17,400 roughly, and the cost of this phone, that means Oppo A12, is going to be around I think 12,400. Okay guys, some very important and very interesting news coming from Samsung is that now Samsung is working on a 600 megapixels of camera sensor. And interestingly, let me clear you that in our human eye we have approximately 500 megapixels. So Samsung is looking to go beyond the human eye and looking to capture more details in the 600 megapixels. So I think this is a very much interesting innovation from Samsung. So let's see. Okay guys, so by this news we just came to the end of our daily tech news, which is episode number 16, and I hope you enjoyed it. Then please give me a like, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for getting regular updates. And guys, have a fantastic day, alright?